Hello, in this video let's solve this exponential equation. We have k times 27 power k is equals to 1. We are going to find the value of k that satisfies this equation. So we have solution. Now if we recall the problem, we have k times 27 power k is equals to 1. What do? We can divide both sides of this equation by k, so k will definitely cancel k. So we have 27 power k is equals to 1 divided by k. Now it is worthy to note that k should never be equals to 0, because if k is equals to 0, we are going to have undefined fraction here. So we don't want to have an undefined fraction, so k should never be equals to 0. Now, 27 power k here actually stands for a particular type of function. This is an increasing function. Because this value or this function will continue to increase when the value of k increases. So this is an increasing function. Now, on the other hand, 1 over k here is actually a decreasing function, because the numerator here is static. This is 1. So when the value of k increases, this particular function will actually reduces. So this function here is a decreasing function. So right now we have two functions. We have increasing function and a decreasing function. So we have actually established the fact that, let me get it there, that 27 power k is an increasing function and 1 over k is a decreasing function. Now, let's go ahead and plot the graph of this particular function. Now, the graph of an increasing function goes like this. So while that of a decreasing function comes this way. So we can actually say that 27 power k is an increasing function, so we can write it here. And also 1 over k is a decreasing function, so we can write it this way. So this is the graph of both the increasing function and the decreasing function. And you can actually agree with me that this graph, they actually meet at a particular point, only one location. This simply means that this particular equation, this equation here has only one solution, because this is the only point that they are meeting. This function will continue to grow this way, and this decreasing function will continue to grow this way. So there is no point they are going to meet again. So this is the only point that they are meeting. Now, we are now going to solve to find that one solution that this particular equation has. Now let's go ahead and do that. Now if you have 27 power k is equals to 1 divided by k, the simplest way of solving this particular equation is actually to eliminate this k. So I can decide to write it as 27 power k or power 1 over k. By doing this, I can actually cancel out this k, and I will do the same thing here. 1 over k all power 1 over k. Have you seen that? So this k will cancel this k here. So we are now going to be left with, we are going to have 27 is equals to 1 over k power 1 over k. Have you seen that? So now we need to actually express 27 in this form. So we can write 27 is actually 3 to the power of 3, that is 27, and which is now equals to 1 over k power 1 over k. So what we have here is exactly what we have here, and what we have here is exactly what we have here. So in this particular case, we can actually equate. That means we can equate 3 to be equals to 1 over k. Now that means we can actually solve for k here by simply cross multiplying. So we can have 3k equals to 1. And from here, we divide both sides by 3. 3 will definitely cancel 3. And k is equals to 1 over 3. So this becomes the only valid solution for this particular equation. And recall the equation: 27 power k times k is equals to 1. Now, can we actually check? Yes, we can check using this value to find out if we are going to have 1. So let's go ahead and do that, right? So recall, if we have 27 power k times k equals to 1, and we have established that k is equals to 1 over 3, that means we are going to insert 1 over 3 where we have k. That means we are going to have 27 power 1 over 3 times 1 over 3, and this is equals to 1. Now let's go ahead and do that. 27 is simply 3 power 3. So we can have 3 power 3. Then power 1 over 3, which is this 1 over 3 here, times 1 over 3 is equals to 1. Have you seen that? So we do again. This 3 will definitely cancel the 3 here if you multiply this out. So we have 3 times 1 over 3, and this is equals to 1. Because if you multiply, we are going to have 3 divided by 3, because 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. So this has proven the fact that the only accurate solution and the only real solution we have for this particular problem is k is equals to 1 over 3. So that is it for the video. Thank you and goodbye.